Hi, this is George Chris with a quick one-shot demonstration of powering a Raspberry Pi through a 3.5mm audio jack. To start off with, we have one Raspberry Pi, Model B, as shown, and one USB-powered mini jack. Insertion of the mini jack shows power lights. And at this point, the device is booting. And we have Pi. Next up, to demonstrate Ethernet functionality, inserting a Ethernet cable. Status lights come up as shown. The battery pack on the lower left, the white cable is a charging cable for the pack. Next cable up is the USB power for the Pi. The cable above that is powering the camera used to create this recording. At this point, off screen, I am logging into the device to launch the Hello World examples bundled with the device. And we have Hello Triangle. Although there has been no apparent damage as a result of this unconventional powering technique, please note that attempting any of this will very likely void your warranty, and that there are additional power limitations. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.